How to change your age on TikTok. First, open up TikTok. And once you're in TikTok, what you have to do is just go to your profile. And once you're in profile, what you have to do is just press on the arrow on the top corner. Once you press on it, just press on the gear icon again. And you'll be in the settings and privacy. Just scroll down till the end until you see report a problem. Just press on report a problem. And it will bring you here. So what you have to do is just press on account and profile. And then press on editing profile. Once you do this, it will bring you here. Just press on other. And it will bring you to the other. But just simply press no. And then press need more help. So for me, it's bringing me to a TikTok help desk. But it'll bring you to your TikTok support ticket. So if you don't see support ticket, just press on the 3 dots. And then press your support tickets. Once you do this, here as you can see that it's mine closed, but if I press on closed, you will be able to see I need to update my birthday info on the profile. The birth date which I have entered is incorrect, so you gotta write something under your support tickets area and you need to fill it just like this so they can work on it and make sure you change your birth date and change your age on TikTok. So yeah, this is exactly how you can change your age on TikTok. So I hope this video helped you out, and that's it.